Welcome back to the Forensics Detailing. Let there be light. In this video we are reviewing the Sealey 360CM Colour Match LED torch. So with detailing, guys, if you follow the scene, there's almost like a feeling that to do good quality work on a car, you have to have like the best polisher, you have to have the best polish, you have to be using certain pads and even certain cloths to remove it all and stuff like that. And they all help, you know, and I'm kind of into my products and all that sort of stuff. But perhaps it's fair to say that light is probably the most, or one of the most important tools you can have when you're detailing out a car. Because the fact that without this, just going around and polishing my car, even under these, are they tungsten lights or whatever, the tube lights, the fluorescent lights, the car looks amazing. I can look at this area that I've marked off here on the panels and it just looks glossy, it looks great. I cannot see anything wrong with it with my eyes, even if I get the reflection of the tungsten light underneath it, it looks good. But the moment I black these out and just use this on its own and put this onto the panels, especially in the full power mode, I can see the scratches come out more in the 400 lumens setting. To me, it suddenly just reveals all sorts of scratches that you can't otherwise see. So lighting is a really critical thing. The bad news is if you don't have a garage or a workshop, or literally like a marquee tent that you can completely black out, then the importance of lighting, they're not as good. You need to be able to black out really to be able to use them. The darker it is in here, the less light sources, and if I'm just using this, then it will really show me what the paint is doing. So if you're into your detailing and you've got a garage, this Sealey 360CM torch is a hell of a bit of kit. Like the fact that it's got rechargeable batteries in it, so you never got to mess around changing the batteries out or anything like that. Like the fact it's all rubberized, it feels heavy, it feels quality, it is very bright, and I think it's a good bit of kit at a reasonable price. So I'll keep this one short and sweet. So if you're like me, you don't really have the budget for the kind of scan grip stuff, which is sexy and I bet it's damn good as well, then I think this is a nice bit of kit that you might want to consider getting your hands on. If you don't even want to spend 44 quid on inspection torches, then as I've mentioned many times, this little 79p I think I paid for this Amazon special, which I believe is 200 lumens, is not bad. It's not bad for the price, I tell you. It's a good little inspection torch, but it's nowhere near as good as this when I'm running it on 400 or even this on 200 lumens for whatever reason. There's just a difference with the light as well. This is a lot bluer, the light coming out of this. I don't know if you can even see that on the panel. You can, can't you? You can see that in the video, the difference. Now I crank this up to full power. There's your difference in what it's showing. So this is one hell of a powerful little torch. Brilliant thing. So I'll keep this one short, guys. That is the Sealey 360CM torch. Some of the other features I talked about: little magnetic base that's rubberized, so as long as your panel's clean, it's not going to scratch it, and then you can move the torch around, so you can have it on a particular area that you're working on, you know, on the panel like that, and set it up. The magnet is strong, so I don't think it's going to fall off. You could even have it sort of flooding down on the panel. It's got the LED, it's got the what's that thing called, USB charge point in there. It comes with a charger. It's got a hang hook on it in case you're working under the car or you want to hang it on something, and that is about it. Not too many more features, just a rubberized power button that goes to 200, 400 and then off. So a simple bit of kit, but very effective, guys. And like I say, if you're interested in light and you don't want to pay a fortune but you want to get something that's good, then this is an impressive little torch, I tell you. If you don't really want to invest in that, there are cheap options. I've got the 400 watt halogens over there, but you can't inspect with those. They're great light to kind of have around, but you can't sort of move them around easily and stuff like that. So you need something like this that you can move around. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to now be trying to polish this car as rapidly as I can, and I'm not sure if I want to be using this with the amount of stuff that is showing up, but that's a whole different debate, isn't it? Okay, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.